Hello, this video will just quickly outline a feature related to commenting in the Windows-based text LaTeX editor called TeXworks. So I have this document that I've been working on, and if I just hit compile right now, this is a rather large document. As you see the preview over on the right side, it's a book that's starting to hit 148 pages. And it's still compiling, and now look, it is finally done. And I guess that's fine at times, but if you know that you're working on, let's just say, I know that let's say, be working on chapter 5 right now. It is kind of bare, and I'm not going to really be touching, the first 4 chapters. And maybe what I might do is come here to this preface, and let's say we'll keep the table of contents, but I've got my mouse cursor. I just clicked in here right before the preface to the student, and maybe I'll scroll down, and hopefully maybe I'll use this and say, this doesn't have to be perfect, I guess, but I'm actually really close here. So let's say this chapter on counting, that's chapter 6. Maybe I should be able to find this fairly quickly here. More methods of proof. I just want to keep the mouse cursor where I currently have it, so that's why I'm not. Let's see. So justification of this, strong induction, counting. What the heck? We'll just say right here. So I still have that mouse. I have not clicked with the mouse. I've just kind of moved around. If I hold Shift, this should work both as a general thing for Windows and Mac, but I'm going to hold Shift and click, and now all of this text should be selected. So let's say all this stuff, I know it's fine right now. I kind of want to freeze it in a sense. I don't want the computer to do anything with it. So all the selected text, I want to comment it. You can select it from the menu. I actually prefer this keyboard shortcut. I've now memorized Control Shift right square bracket, but I'll just do that, and then TeXworks has gone ahead and commented, and so it's updating the colors. Red is for anything commented, but now if I run this, it should be a lot faster because those first 5 chapters are gone, and I should just have oh, there it is. Yeah, it's currently chapter 1 right now. It's confused, of course, because what we said was going to be. And let's say I'm not going to work on this proof practice chapter either. Well, maybe I'll go to this pigeonhole principle section and then hold Control as I click so it finds the right spot over here, and I'll select all of this text all the way down to right here and say maybe I'm gonna again comment that out, and so then if I run now, this compile should be rather quick. Yeah, and it was, right? So much smaller file. It's just a 7-page PDF right now. And so then I can work on what I want to and make the edits that I want to. And let's say, for instance, I want to go back and, I can uncomment. Now, huge swaths of this file have been commented out. But I could go back and say maybe there's this chapter called Introductory Matters that starts right here. So if I want to uncomment from here down to let's see if I can find the end of this section. Yeah, there it is, right? So right there is the beginning of a new chapter. So let's say I want to uncomment just a section. That's easily possible. So the uncommenting doesn't have to be done in the reverse order of any block mass commenting that was done. And there it is. Now I can just play with these 2 chapters or something like that. My compiles will be quick. I think it can be a little dangerous to block comment and uncomment in big groups because you still have to make sure LaTeX understands what you're doing. Your begins need to be capped off with ends as usual and all that kind of stuff. But if you maybe comment out the entireties of entire chapters and so on, this should work out just fine.